the most thing that I appealed to me about the gold business, that it was a win-win-win type of business, right? And when we're young, all we care is how we win, right? How do we make money? How am I going to make money? As you get older, you tend to see, what purpose can I serve? What value do I give to people? And the gold business appealed to me a lot because we were doing a recession, people were hurting. People needed money. The first win was that by me buying the precious metals from people, I was helping them with the need that they have, which is during a recession, they were hurting, they needed money. So I was providing them money on something that they thought it wasn't valuable enough. So that was the first win. The second win was that all those precious metals that were purchased, we will melt them down and we'll recycle to create new jewelry. So we were helping the environment. But the third win was that while I was doing those two things, I was making money for myself. So that was a win for me. So it was a win-win-win type of business. When I started looking at businesses or creating a business, I figured out, what purpose does it serve and who is it helping? And you start looking at things that way, the business become more prosperous. And I noticed that when I started implementing that in every business that I create, this business starts to take off and they scale super fast because of that. Because you're not so much concentrated on what's in it for me. You're more concentrated on that. How can I serve people and how can I provide access to more people to grow so like that I could grow?